I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what Google will ask for: last used email or phone, a recovery email, and any recent passwords. Use a device and location you used before. That raises verification trust. Once done, open the account recovery flow and enter the deleted address, then follow prompts. Make sure to answer with approximate dates and exact phrases you remember. The goal is to supply signals that match Google's records so the system can confirm it's really you. Next, proceed through verification. Provide the most recent password you recall, then request codes to your recovery email or phone. You will get timed codes. Enter them quickly. If Google asks, confirm devices that signed in previously or approve a login on a familiar device. When asked about account creation or frequent contacts, answer succinctly. Those small details matter. Keep calm and persistent. If a step fails, try an alternate recovery method listed on the page before moving on. Finally, if Google verifies you, select Restore and create a strong new password, then review recovery options and connected apps. Make sure to update two-step verification and add current recovery methods to prevent repeat loss. If automatic recovery fails, complete the detailed account recovery form with as many accurate specifics as possible and submit. This is Google's appeal pathway. One key troubleshooting tip: if you get stuck, retry from a familiar device and network after a day, since signals can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.